Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 ES. It only has one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors with signals, keyless entry, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The new 2017 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 is a sedan variant of the subcompact hatchback, and it debuts with the newly refreshed Mirage's set of interior and exterior enhancements. This Mirage has 14-inch steel wheels with wheel covers and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Mirage is in great condition. It has very clear auto-off aero composite halogen headlamps, along with fog lights and a really nice black grille with a surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine with a variable transmission. This Mirage has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 37 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Mirage only has 34,227 miles on it. At the back of the Mirage, you can see the antenna, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. The cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Mirage has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrests with cup holders as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice chrome and metallic interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. The Mirage is also equipped with door bins, in-dash storage, and fade-to-interior lighting. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks, and the power windows with driver express up and down. The Mirage has a very comfortable tilting steering wheel. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 4 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3 compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the aux port. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.